Hi, this is Johnny. I didn't get a chance to go over the setup. So let me turn the value down. Okay. And this thing does go. It doesn't go to sleep mode, but it just keep on playing the display without the sound. But once you started the game, it will start to display it. So let me go ahead and show you how to do the setup. So you press the player 1, player 2, and let me zoom in. Hi, this is Johnny. Last time I skipped some of the information about this New Wave toys, how to get into the setup. So when you want to go into the setup, you just pretty much press these two buttons right here. So to get out, to get in, you just press this two button, player 1, player 2, same time, and then you will get to the. Now, both of this one is what's that? Ghosts and Gollum. I mean Ghosts and Ghosts, and this one is let me press these two button, and this one is Ghosts and Gollum. Okay, and so the way to change this, you just press the controller and you could change your life. Let's change the life to 5, 6, 7. So 7. Oh, that's the difficulty. Okay, so we're gonna make it to. We can't go the opposite direction. Okay, so you gotta keep on going back to 1, the easiest. And then the brightness, let's make it real bright. And then the marquee is on, and we could actually turn it off. So let me show you that it's on. Right now it's on, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it off by pressing the fire button, and now it's off. So as you can see, that one is on, this one is off. So we press the fire button again, and there you go, it's on. Okay, so that's for the marquee. And then the starting life, you could give yourself more life because the game is not easy. So you get 5 life the most. Okay, you can give yourself more bonus. So it start with a 10k, 20, 30, 40. So 40, and that's the most. And the track mode audio is on, and I don't know, does it have. It doesn't have a scan line. Okay, so track mode is on. Oh yeah, it does have scan line. So let's turn on the scan line. See, we have pressed the fire button to change it to on. Okay, and then we could see how it is with the scan line. Okay, and then to change the game, you just press the fire button. The fire button again, which is this button right here, the red button, fire button. And then you could toggle from to the top, and then just press the button again. Oh, then okay, we booted. So now if you look at both of them, they will have the same game. That one which is Ghosts and Gollum, and that one is Ghosts and Gollum. So since we changed to both the same as Ghosts and Gollum, the setting, I went back to the setting, it turned out that it did not save the setting of the previous one. So this one we will have to do the same thing. Let's see if we change the setting. The scan line is there. Everything is, no, not quite. The brightness is there, but the easy is not there. So this one only have normal and easy and difficult. Okay, so you got very difficult and difficult, normal, easy, and that's it. Okay, the other one have I think easy, and then this one marquee is on. Okay, and starlight. Let's see if we get it to 5. Okay, starlight is 7 on this one. So the both setting is a little bit different than that's it. Okay, and then track mode music is on. Okay, so let's see if we get out by pressing the both button again. And then we're gonna go back to it, see if the setting gets saved. So now both of them are saying Ghosts and Golem. Okay, and now we're gonna press the both button again. Now with the scan line, it looked like that. And this one without the scan line, let's see what it looked like. Press the button again. It looked, to me, with the scan line, it looked worse. See that, the picture? So without the scan line, actually it looked better than the scan line. So let me zoom back out. So this is without the scan line, and this is with the scan line. So with the scan line, to me, it looked more faded out than with the scan line. Okay, you could see the difference. Okay, so let's, this one have the brightness. This one do not have the brightness. So if you look at the setup, this one do not use all the bright color. So I don't know if that, because of that reason. Let's go ahead and fix that. Go back up. Okay, pretty much the same now. And let's start the game. So it still looks better on this one than it does with this one, with the scan line. So I don't know, is it because I'm looking straight at it? And this one, I'm not looking straight at it, but if I'm looking straight in the middle, this one looks better than this one. Okay, let's go back and take out the scan line, see if that make any difference. So we got, here's the replicate scan line. So let's press off. Okay, and let's see what this one have. This one have the on and off, and this one have on and off. Okay, so let's take, so it does save the information by just pressing the 2 button. So we're gonna press the 2 button again, and we'll press 2 button here. Okay, and we're gonna zoom back out. For some reason, one of my screen looked better than the other one. Is it just me, or? Yeah, it looked like this one screen is a lot better than this one. So this is without the scan line, and this is without the scan line. So some reason one is, the color is better than the other one. I don't know, is this will reflect the light, but this one seemed to be better than this one. Alright, let's change the game. Let me change both of them the same to another game. Press fire. Let's choose the other one. Okay, and let's do the same with this one. Press fire. Choose the bottom one. Okay, I turned both of them on the same time. So let's see if both of them will come on the same time. I think if you move the camera a little bit over the screen, make this other one. So I think it's by the camera. If you move closer to this side look better. And if you move it toward this side look better. So based on, without using the phone and me looking straight at it, it looked fine. In my opinion, both of them does look the same. All right, that's pretty much it. Just letting you guys see. And those are the two that have sound issue where you cannot turn it off low. You have to either turn it up or you can't turn it low, but this one you could. All right, that's a plus for this two, okay? And you can insert coin from this one, and then this one you have to put the physical, the little coin to put it in to insert the coin. And then this two, you press the button without the coin, just insert it. Okay, so that's the part that I did not get a chance to show you guys, so I just want to show you guys that. Hi, I want to bring up your attention is I forgot to mention about the previous button and the current button. With this button, it looked like the button is smaller and also is higher. Where if you could see, the button is not as high. See that? And the button is bigger, and the button here is a lot smaller. Okay. The button is not stiff. These two are stiff, but these two are not. But one thing I like is the joystick. The joystick click, where this one is very stiff. Okay, it's very stiff. It reminds me of Glenn's joystick, the 1/16 scale of the GRS Build a Cat. Yeah, their joystick is similar to this one. This one is better. I love this joystick. It's small, and plus you could turn the ball out and replace it. Same with this one. You could turn it on, and you could turn it and tighten it. Where I think Glenn's there do not. More you play, this thing will automatically pop out. So theirs do not turn it off. Hopefully the newer version they will fix that. Now I do like this button, but I'm not crazy about this button because to me it's very, very small. Okay. The height wise is the same. This one have the light fake speaker in the front because the speaker is in the back. It does have two speakers on this machine, but this one do not. So if you was to flip it, they only have one speaker. So it's not a stereo sound speaker. So I just want to bring that to your attention that I forgot to mention that. And the button is a lot smaller compared to the old button that they used to use. Even with the Street Fighter, their button is bigger, and this is, to me, the button is way too small for my taste. Hopefully they will go back to the same button and use this joystick. Alright, so that's my update on this comparison of the button. Thank you for watching. Later.